welcome or welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to episode 2 of the Free the Forehead series, where I'll be showing you guys 10 different hairstyles you can do without using a lace wig. Today's video is in collaboration with ISEE Hair Company. They sent me over another one of their half wigs. So let's get into the unboxing. So this is how the wig comes. I know the last video I did using one of their half wigs, y'all seem to really love it. So I decided to try another one, but a longer length this time. This one is their 22-inch water wave half wig with the invisible hairline. This is what the inside construction of this wig looks like. It comes with combs that you just push in to install, and it also comes with a drawstring elastic band. This method ensures the wig stays securely in place, and you can adjust it to fit any head size. And it also reduces the risk of it shifting or even falling off once you put it on. So guys, let's go ahead and get into the install process. I already prepped my hair ahead of time. I have the front part of my hair sectioned off. And y'all, I just put these 2 dookie braids in my hair. Do not judge me. And this is going to be another braidless install. So I just have the back pulled into a low ponytail. So to get started, I'm going to be using this black weaving cap, and I like to use these for these types of installs because it's breathable, because of the net texture, the holes in it, but it'll still keep my hair in place and give those combs something to hold on to once I go to install it. So guys, this is me just installing the wig. It's really so simple. You just take the combs and push it into your hair, and there are combs all around the inside of the wig, so I'm pushing it in all the way around. And just to make sure it has a secure and snug fit, I'm going ahead and pulling that drawstring elastic band, securing it, and then I just tucked it back into the back of the cap. So guys, this is pretty much what the wig looks like right out of the box. Little to no manipulation to it whatsoever, but let's go ahead and get that leave out together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my braids out in the front. Guys, so this is what the wig looks like once I take the braids out, and I purposely braided the front of my hair because I wanted it to have like a more wavy texture once I took it out. But y'all, look at this. Look at this. It looks so good already. Like, can I get an applause for this, y'all? ISEE Hair Company, you did it again, okay? You did it again. This is literally so cute, and I barely did anything to it yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these edges together. I'm using the Low J Beauty edge control, and I have used that in my last couple videos, so as always I will make sure to link it in my description box. But yeah guys, this is what it's looking like, and I love that whole like flip over method type of look when I'm doing curly hair. I just think it looks so cute. And if you guys have not, if you can't tell by now, the Tresemme holding spray is one of my favorites. It's definitely top 5 hairsprays for me, and that is what I am spraying on my hair, just to make sure that it blends with the hair a little bit more and it holds it in place. So guys, this is the first look. I am going to be showing you guys a few different looks that you can do with this wig, but look how easy that was. Like, look how easy that was, and it came out super cute. I'm also showing you guys the back because I noticed in a few of my other videos you guys said, show me the back, show me the back. I want to see that it's just as full, and y'all, it is. So yeah guys, this is the finished first look. So now let's go ahead and get into the second look. This time I am going to be wetting up the hair, and I'm literally just using a spray bottle full of water and my Lotta Body foaming mousse, y'all, it's almost done. Like, it's almost gone. So Lotta Body, if you see this video, sponsor your girl. Sponsor your girl. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and wet their hair all up and show you guys how it looks once it's done.
Everything 24 carats. Take a look in that mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Say it's us, and I'll agree, baby. Jump in the Cadillac, girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put.
So once their hair was all wet, I decided to show you guys how to do like a pushback hairstyle. I just thought that would be super, super cute. I feel like it's a lot more elegant. If you have somewhere to go, you could definitely do a hairstyle like this, or even for every day. But I think like the pushed back look would be really cute with like a elegant dress or maybe a blazer or something like that. So this is the second look, guys. Super, super cute. Now let's go ahead and do the third look. The third look that I'm going to do is just the same look as the first one, but showing you guys how it looks when the hair is wet. So this is what it looks like when the hair is wet and it's down. That little flip over hairstyle look. Super, super cute. And now let's get into the fourth hairstyle. The fourth hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down hairstyle, guys. Since the edges are already done, I'm just going ahead and taking my hard brush, brushing the top part of my hair back into a ponytail, and creating that half up, half down look. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, half wigs are really becoming one of my favorite installs to do because they're just so quick and convenient. And if you prep your hair correctly, there are so many different hairstyles that you can do with a half wig, and it just looks so natural. Like, look at that. ISEE Hair Company, thank you so much. I absolutely love it. So guys, let's go ahead and get into the next hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is a ponytail, something quick and easy. I did have to pull my hair out in the back for that, but then I just went ahead and put a hair scarf type of headband thing around it, and this would be perfect for the gym, y'all. Super, super cute. And then the last hairstyle is a bun. I just took the ponytail and wrapped it around and made it into a bun, y'all. And this look makes me feel like a Nubian queen, okay? A Nubian queen. I love it. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes today's video. If you're loving this lace-free series already, make sure you like this video and comment your favorite hairstyle out of all of them down below. My personal favorite was the first one, the dry curls with the flip over look. Super, super cute, chef's kiss. And yeah guys, make sure you subscribe. I will make sure to leave all the details to this wig down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in episode 3. Love you guys. Smooches.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.